Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Discord token. A Discord token is a unique string of characters that acts as an authentication key for your bot or application. It allows your program to interact with the Discord API, sending messages, managing channels, and performing other actions on your behalf. Understanding its purpose is the first step to effective bot development. To get started, you'll need to visit the Discord developer portal. Here, you can create a new application and then add a bot to it. Once your bot is created, a unique token will be generated. It's crucial to copy this token and keep it absolutely private, as it's the key to your bot's identity and permissions. With your bot token in hand, you can now integrate it into your bot's code. Most Discord API libraries, available in various programming languages, have a straightforward method for authenticating your bot using this token. Remember, for security, avoid embedding the token directly in your code, especially if it's publicly accessible. Use environment variables or a secure configuration file instead. Security is paramount when handling Discord tokens. Treat your token like a password. Never share it or expose it in public code repositories. If your token is ever compromised, regenerate it instantly through the Discord developer portal. Always store your token securely, perhaps using environment variables, to prevent unauthorized access to your bot and its capabilities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.